sold books that night. I don't come every night, but
it's a part of Silliman
night
University.
for books.
We're traveling now along the boulevard, the seaside boulevard in Dumaguete City. Uragon, come on! Noah! Magandang umaga. Ang nakikita nyo po ngayon ay ang Starbucks ng Dumaguete City. Wow, this is Jerry's Restaurant and Bar, Starbucks, and then at the next building is the Bethel Hotel or Bethel Guest House. Nandito po ang isa sa pinakadako o malaking kahoy, one of the biggest tree here in Dumaguete at the seaside near the port area of Dumaguete City. So ayan po ang Bethel Guest House, and then sumunod dyan ang Dekada, ang gusali ng Dekada. So ayan po ang tabi ng dagat. Ngayon nakikita nyo ang kahabaan ng parke na ito dito sa Dumaguete. Napakahaba po niyan. I think it's almost 1 kilometer from here. You see some ready-made toilet here and some of the artworks here in the park. So andito po ang Dumaguete Port sa lugar na yan. Ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa Dekada at papasok po ako maya-maya papunta doon sa Silliman University, the oldest university here in Visayan region, established by the American missionaries, Christian missionaries. Yan po, nilalakad natin ngayon ang seaside or the road at the side of the sea fronting Cebu Island or Cebu Province. So yan po ang nakikita nyo po ngayon, ang Honeycomb Inn. Wow, it's an old house, Honeycomb Inn. Karamihan po sa mga taga Dumaguete ay gumagamit na ng motorbike. I think most of the people are using motorbikes and cars. They have their own cars. And you see that new building there, Honeycomb Tourist Inn. Honeycomb Tourist Inn. At ngayon ay nandito ako, naglalakad ako ngayon dito sa Paseo Perdices. Paseo Perdices. So ayan ang mga barks dito, mga barko dito sa tabi ng dagat. Ayan, nakikita niyo po, napakaganda. Yeah, that's the road where I've been today. Ito po ang Paseo Perdices, and then after this are restaurants, more hotels. Ang Dumaguete ay merong mahigit 50,000 tao, populasyon. And this is the biggest city here in Negros Oriental. And traveling from here to Negros Occidental is around 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours. Pwedeng dumaan ng San Carlos, pwedeng sumakay papuntang Canlaon City, and then going to La Castellana, Negros Occidental. So Canlaon is the tallest mountain in Negros Island. So ito naman po ang Hotel Nicanor, dyan po sa lugar na yan, still under construction. And I'm walking now going to Silliman University. So ayan po, dinaanan natin ngayon ang Chinlong Restaurant, another old house here. I think this is another restaurant, bar and restaurant in the night time. That area, and then that's Development Bank of the Philippines here. So I'm walking, going to Silliman University. I'll just stop from here and I'll continue if I'm inside Silliman University. Good morning to everyone. This is Biyahe ni Joe Bicolano here in Negros Oriental in the Dumaguete City. And what you see there in the other side of this port area is the island of Cebu, or Cebu province, one of the most populated province in the country. And Negros Oriental is around 5,000 or more than 5,000 square kilometers. The whole of Negros is 14,000 square kilometers, and it's smaller than Israel. Yeah? Oh no, this is around 12,000 square kilometers. This is Tom and Tom's Coffee, and I'm walking now going to Silliman University. Maayong aga sa atong tanan, sa ako ng mga kaupod previous days, to all the pastors and friends here in Dumaguete City. Thank you very much for your great hospitality and accommodation for us. Thank you for all those who helped the seminar here on leadership, very successful. Thank you very much, Bishop Larry, San Pedro, and all the teams. So this is the view of the old building of Silliman University, and I'm crossing the road now. I'm looking for the gate going inside the university. I'm going to visit the museum inside. You see, it was founded in the year 1901. That's 123 years old already. You see the Castilian style of architectural design of the building. See, it's like European style. It was established by the American Christian missionaries, but you see the design of the building is very old. And the founder of the university is Mr. Horace Silliman. Wow, Horace Silliman. In Tagalog is Horacio, no? So I'm going inside the university now, and I'm going to look for the gate so I can go inside the museum today. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Biyahe ni Joe Bicolano. Marahay na aga sa Indogabos. Maayong aga sa atong tanan. Ito po ang central town ng Dumaguete City. So nandito po ako ngayon sa pinakagitnang kalsada galing doon sa Dumaguete, galing doon sa Silliman University. So ayan po ang napakaraming tao dito. Merong Robinson Supermarket, merong Jollibee, Goldilocks, Dunkin' Donuts. Now I just came from here, the Robinson's Plaza, Robinson Supermarket. So you see hundreds of motorbikes are here and big tricycles. Ito po ang syudad, nakita ko na napakalalaki ng mga tricycles. So yan po ang Chowking. Yan po ang Evermall. Look how big is the central town or central part of the city. Dito po ay papuntang pier. Yan area na yan. It's going to the other side of the city. God bless everyone.